Did you know that every emotion you feel leaves an imprint on your body? Emotions are not just fleeting thoughts. They have a real physical effect on your health. Today, let's explore how emotions affect your internal organs and how medicinal plants can help restore harmony and balance. Anger, frustration, and resentment deeply affect the liver. When these emotions are repressed or constantly present, the energy of the liver becomes blocked and overheated. This can lead to muscle tension, headaches, irritability, and digestive issues. Some helpful plants for the liver are milk thistle, chamomile, and dandelion. Sadness, grief, and deep melancholy live in the lungs. When I am emotionally overwhelmed, my breath shortens, my chest feels heavy, and my immune system weakens. The lungs teach me to release and let go. For the lungs, plantain leaf, eucalyptus, and mallow can offer support. Fear and insecurity weaken the kidneys. Chronic fear can drain my life force, causing fatigue, anxiety, lower back pain, and even hair loss. The kidneys are the source of vitality and deep internal strength. To nourish the kidneys, I turn to ashwagandha, nettle, and horsetail. Joy brings warmth to the heart, but when joy becomes excessive, it can create overstimulation. This may appear as nervous laughter, insomnia, or heart palpitations. A balanced heart brings serenity and emotional stability. For the heart, hawthorn, lemon balm, and linden blossom are wonderful allies. Overthinking, constant worrying, and obsessive thoughts disturb the stomach and spleen. These emotions cause digestive heaviness, mental fog, and anxiety after eating. The digestive center loses its ability to transform not only food, but also emotions. Ginger, turmeric, lemon balm, and angelica roots support the stomach and spleen. Every emotion has a message. Instead of suppressing them, I try to listen with compassion. My body is an emotional map. Each organ speaks a language of its own. I honor my emotions, take care of my organs, and let nature walk beside me on my healing path. At herbaline.net, you'll find natural herbs, oils, and wellness tools to restore balance between your body, mind, and emotions. Explore conscious healing rooted in nature. Herbaline.net, your space for healing.